Hello techies, this is lab 12.4.6 and we're going to create Azure storage account. So you are the network administrator for your company. You are configuring Azure to help manage your network. You are synchronizing on-premise files to the cloud. The next step is to create an Azure storage account with a file share to sync the files to. So in this lab, your task is to create a storage account with the following options. Subscription is going to be CompTIA Production. Resource group is going to be CompTIA Cloud. Storage account name, King Sensitive, is going to be CompTIA Storage Account. Region is going to be West US2. Redundancy is going to be Geo Redundant Storage GRS. You're going to create a file share named CompTIA file share from within the storage account you created. To create a storage account, okay, so let's start up right away. We're going to open this up, and this is storage account. Then we want to go to create, and under create we want to select CompTIA Cloud, and let's see, so here we're going to type in CompTIA storage account, and here we want to go to West US2. Okay, that is it here. So we just select this. Yes, West US2, and then we'll go ahead and Geo Redundant Storage. Okay, so we'll go ahead and review the actions that we've taken so far. So we create, so wait for it to finish deployment. Okay, the deployment is complete. Okay, so let's go to resource, and we scroll down, we go to file shares, so file share. So we're going to create a file share named CompTIA file share. So you can copy the name and paste in here to save time, or you can just type it in. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we'll create. So let's go ahead and check our answers. So Everything seems correct. If you find this video to be helpful, like and subscribe. And if you need further assistance on how to solve any of the lab at all, consider joining my professional membership. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.